Today on Just My Opinion, we're going to talk about short-term rentals. Does it make sense to invest in a short-term rental? That's a loaded question. So if you're going to look at a short-term rental on one of our beautiful beaches, whether it's Perdido Key, Pensacola Beach, or Navarre Beach, those are tourist destinations, and short-term rentals are always going to do pretty well there, and it's probably a good investment. You do analyze it a little different than other investments, so if you're used to long-term strategy, watch my video on short-term strategy. But when you look at buying a short-term rental property in town, in more of a residential style neighborhood, not on the water or on a barrier island, you got to be a little bit more cautious. You really want to make sure that you can switch that short-term rental into a long-term rental at any point and it still make financial sense for you. You'll notice over the last 4 or 5 years, short-term rental really blew up, and we heard about all these people making tons of money on short-term rental and investing in them. So a lot of people wanted to jump on the bandwagon, but we have to look at the scenario that happened. During the short-term rental boom, we also had COVID. People didn't have to work or go to school, so they could work from home, do school online. There was a lot more traveling to destinations than people spending time where they wanted to be versus at home. So we do see some inflated numbers over the last couple years. Now they're starting to settle down. It doesn't mean short-term rental died, it's just it was inflated for different reasons. Short-term rentals still make sense, but make sure it also makes sense for long-term, and give us a call if you're thinking about investing in short-term rental. But hey, that's just my opinion.